Today is 4/21/25. We're going to test the 9.8 Tohatsu with the original impeller.
Ready?
And we're going to see water.
But this is the drill gonna go around too, or no?
No, the real not
Okay,
going.
go ahead. You're right. Go ahead.
Are you going clockwise or counterclockwise?
Counterclockwise. You want clockwise?
Okay, go clockwise.
Should I pull it up and tilt it in a little so it don't hit?
Yeah, you have to do something so it doesn't hit.
Okay.
But you got to be
go
enough
ahead.
for it to suck up water.
Go ahead.
And then maybe...
Here, let me hold it better.
Careful with the
I don't
leg,
like.
okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Hold on. Okay, go.
But you're not sucking water right here.
Okay.
You
Right
have
there,
to,
like
you have to
that.
be deeper.
Suck the water. Not strong enough.
I don't see any water.
Maybe not enough power to let the impeller run and check the water. So the best solution is going through the motor and let it go itself.
All right.
Okay.